Moto G6 Play, and let me show you how to block calls on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's open the phone's dialer. Let's use this more key right here and tap settings. So here you can choose blocked numbers, and as you can see, here you can add a number to block calls and text from this number. So let me tap add a number, just simply enter some number that you would like to block. Tap block, and that's it. This number will be blocked. Of course, you can remove this number from the blacklist by using this key right here. Tap unblock, and that's it. Here you can manage all blocked numbers. So that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.